What up, YouTube? It's your boy Charles, back with another episode on Creators. My wife isn't with me today, but I'll be talking to you guys a little bit about some things I've just been thinking about for the beginning of the year when it comes to business. This would be our second year in business, going into our third. And I just, been thinking and trying to strategize how to make sure this year is even better. One of the things that constantly plays in my mind, constantly keeps coming up is finances. And when I mean finances, I mean being financially literate in your business. And that consists of two main things: bookkeeping and accounting. So bookkeeping and accounting is very important in business. It's something that a lot of people don't talk about when you first get in business, making sure these things are set up. But in the real world, in the corporate world, in the financial world, it's very important that you have your bookkeeping and accounting set up. That goes for your taxes. That goes for you just being able to track and be able to have your financial statement set up. I know one of the areas where this even came up or even became to be even a issue for me, or something that I needed to look into, is when last year when we was trying to work on getting a property, getting a venue. When I was going to these commercial places and they was requesting for financial statements, and I'm like, well, what's a financial statement? I know it sounds crazy as somebody that's in business, as a business owner, but a lot of people don't know what financial statements was, and I was one of them. So of course I looked it up. They was talking about profit and loss, having a balance sheet, your cash flow, all these different things, and I'm like, who knows these things? Who talks about this? So of course I had to start doing some research. I got with the company QuickBooks. They have some live bookkeeping in there. And then of course you hear about QuickBooks when it comes more for like taxes and having an accounting type services, which is very important as well. But bookkeeping is definitely is even more important to me than I think the accounting, because your bookkeeping is how you're going to keep records for your accounting services, to be able to give to your accountant, to be able to show them what your actual financial statements look like, what the financial health of your business is. So that is something that's very important that I am stepping up the challenge. I know that I can hire a company. I hired somebody before to do some of the bookkeeping for a few months, but I really feel like as a business owner, as somebody that's starting this business, and to make sure that we are successful, that my business is successful, I feel like I have to learn this information as well. Now, whether or not this is something I continue to do on a monthly basis or year after year, or if I just hire someone, I definitely think it's very important for businesses to at least understand it, at least know how to be able to set it up, know how to read your financial statements, how to understand what bookkeeping is, and understanding your books too as well. So that is the new challenge. That is something that I'm going to be, like I say, tackling and taking on as a responsibility for myself and the success of my business. I'm pretty sure you guys hear the saying in the statistics that they mentioned about 80% of businesses go out of business in the first 3 years and 90% go out in 5 years. And it's mainly due to cash flow issues or financial issues. One of the main things that I believe that plays a role into that is when you don't have bookkeeping, when you don't have accounting, when somebody doesn't tell you how to properly set up your business to be able to track your books, be able to track your finances, your receipts, your expenses. Also, when you're trying to grow your business, that's another thing that I've been reading and hearing about, is a lot of small businesses are usually 1 to 2 employee type businesses. They never really can scale to having, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 employees. They're not able to really grow. And I'm pretty sure even for some of you guys out there, y'all probably have experienced this. You may have been doing business for, 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, however long. But I'm pretty sure you always thought, dang, how can I get to a place where I'm not so much doing the actual main work in the business and actually can hire people? Well, your financial statements, your financial health, your bookkeeping, the accounting services is what you're going to need to be able to understand when you can hire, how much you can afford to hire an employee, how much to pay yourself as an actual business, and to be able to understand what you can invest to be able to grow your business as well. So bookkeeping, accounting, these things are very, very essential to the health and the success of your business. I definitely recommend every small business owner, startups, entrepreneurs, anybody that's thinking about getting in business to definitely look into learning about bookkeeping and accounting services. So in this journey, I'm going to actually going to document and share some of the things I find out when it comes to bookkeeping, when it comes to accounting, and share that information with you guys. And I would definitely appreciate anybody else. If you have information about accounting or bookkeeping type of processes, or any information that can kind of help and assist, please share that information as well on our channel. But until next time, it's your boy. I'm out. Charles, creator. Like, subscribe. There's my wife. Comment, hit the notification bell. Peace.